Hey guys, it's us. I've been working up honey. This is wax. All wax. I was just going to show you real quick what I do. Once I cut everything off, so I cut all the inside wax and I let it sit. And I slowly work it up because it's a hard job. I don't have the honey spinners. I don't have nothing but good old knives, spoons, pans, strainers. That's about it. So I always save the wax, or try to. I don't know if you can see, there is tons of wax, but there's still honey. Lots of honey left on here. That's the reason why I do it into a strainer. That way, what little honey I can get, because every drop to us counts. The bees have worked really hard for this.
We try to get as much as we possibly can.
Yep, we try to get as much as we possibly can. But I always save the wax because the wax is good for making lotions, salves, the herbal salves, the healing balms. So
it's good for a lot of things.
Yep, it's good for a lot of things. So, and this is one of our base ingredients for like our healing balms that we can mix with mullein or purple dead nettles or anything. And I just take my knife, not hard. I think, yeah, you can see some of the honey. I can't see on that side. That's the reason I'm doing this other side. I just want to show you. I'm barely scraping. Now, I do filter this because there is little splinter pieces of wood and like this hard pieces of wax that bees built. These are our supers. That's what we robbed from. So their actual bee home and nest is down in the bigger box underneath of the super. The super is just kind of their food storage. So that's the reason why you'll see hard pieces of wax dried. That's part of their home base building. But I just try to gently scrape all this off and let this strain. Get every bit of the honey I can out of it. Let it strain. And then that will be filtered. Not a whole lot because I like I said, leaving the honey in it. Because honey is a natural antibiotic, anti-inflammatory, you name it. Honey is amazing. Now once I get done with these racks, as you can tell, this one's a mess still.
She puts them in
They will then be semi-clean. They still have liquid honey, stuff that you can't get off, and pieces of wax. Now I'll put them in a pan, and then I will take them back up near my beehives and lay them out, and the bees will come and get whatever I left on them. They'll get it off and they'll recycle it. They'll eat the honey.
It's a process.
It's a process, that's right. So they'll eat the honey and they will eat the wax off. They will clean them up. And then once they're clean, we will stick new wax sticks in them. And then we will rob the super, put new sticks in with fresh wax, and it's a process like Logan said. So I just wanted to hop on and show you this is what we're doing today. It's a very sticky, nasty, messy, long process.
Yep.
And I do feel bad for robbing the bees because the worker bees, that's the ones that has to go out and find all the pollen, and that's the ones that put all the work into it. And a worker bee only lives 40 days. So it has a very hard life. for 40 days. So, a worker bee only lives 40 days.
That's mind-blowing.
Then you have drones that protect the queen, feed the queen, massage her feet, whatever she needs. And all she has to do is give birth. And the drones and stuff, they do all the babysitting and everything. If I could be a queen bee, I would be a queen bee.
You are.
No.
Take care of us. You take care of
Yeah,
Daddy.
but you don't rub my feet and feed me and babysit my children, and
Well,
because you are my children.
Here's the
But
thing.
anyways,
I find out I'll get you some food sometimes. Like the other day.
he does get me some food sometimes because,
Very helpful.
yeah,
Especially in these situations.
when I'm working up honey. Or yesterday I had my procedure done and was not feeling too good, and so I just wanted to hop on here and show you. I'm going to finish cleaning. I don't have too many more racks to go. I still have honey straining that have to get jarred up. I have orders. So, and we only done one super. So, we'll have to try to, we got to get back into it. But it's turkey season also. And me and Kevin are both big hunters. So, but honey don't wait. And I don't like to leave it sitting for long periods of time. So I just wanted to hop on here and show you. So bye.
Make sure you like and subscribe. See you later.
Like and subscribe. I always forget that. He's the YouTube gamer dude and I'm just a simple whatever. Bye.